Now, since it's fall, I want to show you one of my favorite apple desserts, apple cider cake. And you start off with 3 cups of flour, add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, with your leavenings of 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a full teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, then 2 teaspoons of this apple pie spice, or if you want like separate spices, go for a 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. So you combine all of that, whisk together, in a separate bowl, smaller one, add 1/2 cup of apple cider and 1/2 cup of oil, three eggs, two teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened applesauce. And one of these little snack packs is the perfect size for it. And mix well. Then mix the wet into the dry. with a rubber spatula. Preheat oven to 350 and prepare your bundt pan. Just coat very well with oil or nonstick spray. Then coat with a layer of sugar instead of flour. And this is especially true if your pan is kind of stubborn. And then batter should be slightly lumpy. And then toss it into your bundt pan. And when your oven is preheated, put it in. Be sure you have a tray underneath it just in case it overflows. Now realizing that I never really had what I did to coat the pan in sugar. And pretend this is wet, and basically just tap and turn, basically, and the oil helps it stick. So just in case you didn't know. Then bake it for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. And I've also included in the description, along with the full directions, a few different ways of baking, different shapes. And after it's done, leave in the pan for about 15 minutes or so. Then when it's ready, turn it out onto a wire rack. It's easier said than done sometimes. You might need to loosen everything a little bit first. Just get it out and let it cool completely. Okay, so now that that's cool, I will slide this on here. It's basically just let gravity do the work. Let it sit for a little bit. Go, son. It'll hopefully come out a lot neater than that. I think I didn't let it sit in the pan for quite a long enough time. And for the drizzle, take about a cup of powdered sugar, then add 3 to 4 tablespoons, depending on how much you need to make sure it has a drizzly texture. Add it little by little. And this is the apple cider. And it's drizzleable. Just pour it on. And there you go.